Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to Thailand! It's currently 4:55 and super nagka-cram ako sa pag-pack kasi 26 today. Kakauwi ko lang from Malabon kasi I went there to spend Christmas with my family. Wala pa talaga akong napapack. So, yun lang. I'm gonna show you then kung ano yung mga ipapack ko for this trip. And as much as possible, I need to finish agad kasi para at least makapag-nap pa ako before my flight. Although my flight pa naman is at 1 p.m. Kaso nga lang, I have to leave na mga around 9:30. Siyempre, biyahe pa and all. Tapos, baka mamaya mahaba yung pila sa immigration. So, yun lang naman guys. I'm super sleepy na din. But, wala tayong choice. Kasi, mamaya na tayo aalis. But, yeah. First things first, I'm gonna use itong mga organizers that I got from Bash. Yun siya. And nagulat ako kasi super ganda ng quality niya. Like, I didn't expect na ganito yung quality. Akala ko talaga, parang alam niyo yung nabibili dun sa mga, like sa Orange app na normal na organizer. And nung pagka-receive ko to, as in like super na-amaze ako. Super ganda ng quality niya. I definitely recommend you guys buying this kasi sobrang ganda ng quality. Like, makapal talaga. No joke, as in. By the way, guys, I'm going to stay in Bangkok for 5 days and I'm super excited. And I feel like this is the first time na aalis ako na hindi ako mag-overpack. Because super dami ko talagang nakita na clothes na I want to buy there. And parang sabi ko, might as well. Pag may nakita ko doon, kung wala na akong damit, suotin ko na lang. 'Di ba? I'm almost done with sa mga damit ko. After this, I'm just gonna finalize what to bring and then I'm gonna get my shoes downstairs. Yun lang naman, guys. Sana matapos na ako agad. Oh my gosh. Time check. It's already 5:29. Kahit 2 hours of sleep lang, please. So, for my perfume this trip, I'm gonna use this Tambourines na Chamo perfume because it's super handy. Like, super small lang siya. So, I bought this parang Dyson bag, travel pouch na super nice. You know, like, you can put yung mga attachments here and then yung pang curler and then yung mismong Dyson sa pandang to. I'll just put the links sa description box if you like. You can check it there. Okay guys, so done na ako ayusin yung toiletries ko as in tapos yung shoes ko. Pero I'm gonna shower muna then take a nap before ko siya ayusin. Done na kami with immigration. Super haba ng pila as in. Wala talaga akong tulog. So super low energy ako right now. I just need to eat something and drink some water. Tapos matutulog sa biyahe talaga mamaya. Para maka-recharge for later. As in like, wala pa akong sleep guys. This is so hard. And imagine, hindi super aga ng flight namin. So, grabe talaga. But yeah, looking forward pa rin makapunta kami sa Thailand.
Just for possible injury, please.
So, finally guys, after a long day, nakadating na rin ako sa hotel. As in, super grabe yung pinagdaanan namin. Share ko lang yung parang transfer. Like, yung nabook kong transfer, nagka-problema. Like, na parang matutow pa yung car. So, parang nag-wait pa kami para ayusin niya yung papers and all. So, like, almost 1 hour kami nag-intay doon. Buti na lang sa biyahe, hindi naman siya super traffic. So, thank God. Super happy ako na maganda yung hotel na nastayan ko kasi super, nung naghahanap ako, super na-overwhelm ako with options and like, natatakot ako baka mamaya mag-check-in ako somewhere na hindi ako magiging happy. I mean, like, hindi magiging sulit yung babayaran ko. But so far, like, okay. This is the bathroom. Sakto lang yung bathroom. Mayroon siyang bathtub. Pero bukod sa location na beside lang kami ng mall, yung view din talaga ng rooms. So, yeah. I'm gonna tour you guys ng saglit. Quick little tour. So, yan, merong mini table there. Tapos, dami niyang cabinets na malaki talaga, guys. And this bed, yan. Tapos, look at this. Yan. May TV rin pala, but the view is giving. Tapos, may balcony. Diba, guys? Mas kita siya pag patay yung lights. Merong kitchen. Like, mini kitchen, diba? Kabog. Ang taray. Kasi ang daming cabinets. So, sobrang okay na rin talaga. Tapos may free na mga free na stuff. Then coffee din meron. So basically, yun lang naman yung hotel room. But sobrang ganda ng view. Like, I guess, worth it naman yung price. So if you guys are wondering saan ako nagsistay, it's in Emporium Suites by Chatrium sa Sukhumvit. And yun nga, katabi lang siya ng Emporium Mall, M-Sphere. Basta yung mga malls here. So, super nice location. I'll just freshen up, tapos maghanap kami ng food na kakainan around the area. Tapos, yun. See you guys later. Okay guys, so nakapag-freshen up na ako and yung agenda na is to go to a famous parang noodle house here. Tapos magkakain na kami doon and then after that we're going to Jodd's Fair to eat again. So yung agenda lang for tonight is kumain. Kasi kailangan mag-ipon ng power for tomorrow. Yeah, so nag-book na kami ng Grab papunta doon kasi medyo malayo pala siya, like 16 minutes away. But yeah, I'm just gonna update you guys pagdating namin doon. Sarado pala yung Watana Panic kasi until 7 lang siya, but thankfully, nakahanap kami ng resto near here. And sikat din yung, resto. So, di ko alam. Meron palang branch dito yung Hereduan. And then, sakto, plan ko talaga yun kumain there. And, yun, ngayon na lang namin siya itatry. We're just waiting for our food. Umorder kami ng crab omelette nila. Tapos, yung iba pa nilang bestsellers according to the server. So, I'll show you guys later yung mga food namin. Food namin dun sa Hereduan. Like, wala naman akong masabi. Super sarap. Especially the crab omelette, fried rice. Sobrang sarap talaga. Medyo pricey lang, but for me, worth it naman. Ito pala yung pagkainan. Ang dami niya, guys. Papunta. Grabe amoy dagat, guys. Pero guys, hindi siya super jumping. No, hindi siya masyado na tumatal. Ayun! Go guys, jump. Okay, let's sit down. Oh my gosh, Keiko, di ko siya kaya. my God. Ang dami na tumatala na pa ako nakakain. May cilantro, di ko kaya. Pero yung shrimp, okay lang. Okay lang naman siya, guys. Ayoko lang talaga ng cilantro. Sobrang dami. Pero okay lang yung shrimp, promise. Sobrang dami pa, guys. I don't think I can finish this. I hate cilantro. Grilled crocodile. Okay guys, good morning. It's the next day. I'm really sorry I wasn't able to update you guys last night. As in after Jod's Fair, sobrang pagod na kami. Tapos, syempre, nagna-navigate kami ng stuff. As in like, nagkamali pa kami ng sakay sa Bolt, ganon. So parang, very ano na rin talaga, like, pagod. But all in all, yesterday was really fun. At least, kahit pa paano, naging productive kami kahit may mga aberiyang nangyari before kami makapunta sa hotel. At least kahit pa paano, nakapaggala pa rin kami. And siguro hindi lang namin nagawa last night sa itinerary was dapat we're gonna walk around sa mall and then see kung anong meron. Tapos, punta rin sa Benchesiri Park, which is really near lang sabi sa area na to. But yeah, meron pa namang some other time to do that. So for today guys, we're going to some temples here in Bangkok. Initially, dadpunta tayo ng Grand Palace and Emerald Palace pa yun. But, medyo late na rin. So, we'll proceed to Wat Aron, Wat Pho and Wat Aron sa temples. And siguro after Wat Pho, we'll eat lunch and then go to Wat Aron. After that, we'll go back to our hotel room para mag-prepare for the dinner cruise. So, mamaya din yun nakaschedule. Basically, yun lang naman yung gagawin natin for day 2. So, medyo chill-chill pa siya. Kasi wala naman shopping and all. But if ever we have some time, we might go downstairs sa mga malls here para malibot natin. And, yun. If ever may workout, we'll see kung saan siya mag-fit sa schedule. But, yeah. Yun lang. I'm gonna get ready na, guys. So, ang lamig ng room namin kasi nakatapat ako sa aircon. So, sobrang sinipon ako. Recently din, sobrang dry ng lips ko. I don't know why. Siguro because wala akong tulog, ganun, and all of that stuff. Another. For today din pala, guys, mag-start na kami mag-train. Kasi kahapon, puro Grab kami. So, siguro mga naka 1,000 baht din kami halos for the Grab. And I don't think that's sustainable for us. I pray for us kasi it's a new experience. So, for today, I don't know what to wear. Pero syempre, dahil punta kami ng temples, gusto ko sana na simple lang siya and like respectful. I'm gonna charge lang my camera and I'll see you guys later for the OOTD reveal. Yun lang. Bye! Okay guys, so we're here in Wat Pho. 300 baht yung entrance fee. So here's Wat Pho. pangalan niya din. Not sure lang kung saan yung reclining Buddha, pero I think here din yun. But hanapin namin. So here na kami sa reclining Buddha. At ito yung head niya. For lunch. Based sa pag-search ko sa TikTok, guys, parang one na magandang restaurant here is the Deck by Aaron Residences. So, we'll try to go there if walang tao. So yeah guys, we're done eating and we've decided na not to go na to Wat Arun. Kasi parang kita na rin naman siya from here. Picture taking lang kami sa area na to and then go back na din sa hotel. So dito pala kami kumain sa The Deck by Aaron Residences. Super nice naman. The food is fine. The food prices are fine lang naman, but yeah, if budget talaga, I don't think isa to sa budget like restaurants. Like sakto lang siya ganun. But okay naman yung food, masarap. Yung parang healthy ganun. So yeah. We're here na sa Emporium Mall. Maglibot lang kami saglit here and then punta na rin sa hotel. So, I'm back here sa hotel room. I'm just gonna rest for a bit and then go to the gym. We'll leave here ng mga 5:30 or 5 siguro. Kasi we have to be there ng mga 6 sa Icon Siam. I guess we'll take the train ulit kasi nga mas mabilis siya and especially if traffic, bukod sa mabilis siya, it's much cheaper. So, very easy, especially if nakaload ka na ng Rabbit card and na-register mo na siya. You can just use it hanggang may load and then may mga machine doon na parang maglo-load. May mga ticket machines doon na naglo-load so you don't have to fall in line na mahaba. That's for BTS Skytrain, guys. But if MRT naman, very convenient if MRT. Tapos meron kayong Visa na card. Like you can use in my case, I use my Visa na debit, but you can also use yung mga GCash card, Time Bank, ganon. Gumagana din siya. As long as Visa siya na card. Later, guys, I'm gonna show you yung susuotin ko for the dinner. And, yeah. Here's the fit, guys. We're here na sa Saturn na Pier Station. And then sasakay na kami ng ferry to Icon Siam. So, we're about to go sa ferry na papuntang Icon Siam. Diyan kami sasakay. Sayang na kababa lang namin sa ferry and super laki ng mall as in like ang ganda niya. I'm gonna show it to you guys after namin mag-pass sa pila. Parang may event din now. got our tickets na. 7:30 yung boarding time and 6:10 pa lang. So, maglilibot-libot muna kami dito sa Sook, Siam para humanap ng snacks and magtingin-tingin lang ng stuff. Super tagal namin naghintay kasi ang aga namin here. But yeah, buti na lang like sa labas kami ng cruise. Kasi like more than half is may bubong. Medyo awkward lang kasi may katabi kami but maganda pa rin naman siya. Sana mag-start na rin siya para makapag-eat na and all. Okay guys, so that's it for day 2. It's 11:42 and grabe ang paa ko kasi naka-sandals ako the whole day. Tomorrow it's gonna be a full day. We're going to Songwat Road and Chinatown. Tapos after that, Chatok Chak and some rooftop bars, I think. Tomorrow, I guess, yung pinakamahabang day na meron kami sa itinerary. Kaya need magpahinga tonight. So, yun lang naman, guys. See you tomorrow!